Coming up later in this video.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's awesome.
But first...
Hello everyone, Katobi here. Thank you very much for joining me for today's painting. Let's get to it. So the colors are silver, purple, red, and red with Mica version 23. All right, so we've got Mica 23. Nice and simple. Then we've got a little bit of the black that we used in Pink Lightning. Got a bit more of that left, so I'm going to trace out that on the canvas to add a little bit more oomph. And we've used a black base, which is just my pouring medium. So apart from this one's got Floetrol in it. Nothing else has Floetrol in it. It's just straight paint and my pouring medium. All right, let's go. So I'm going to, let's think about it. I'm going to put down the black first. And I'm going to use this up. So this has got the world's blackest black in it. It's got some Floetrol. And it has something that's meant to make the paint slightly rainbow-esque. But that didn't work. This paint's way too dark for that. There we go. I hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, I think I've got a little bit more we can pour out. It definitely got thickened up adding in the world's blackest black and the extra pouring medium. Now I've already poured out the base, as you can see, and flattened it out, and we skipped to the part where it's good to go instead of wasting your time watching me put paint on a canvas and spread it out on the base. If you're not sure what it looks like when I do that, you can check my previous videos in season 2. You're not gonna pop? Well, I just made things worse. Why is that not popping? I get you. There we go. I wasn't sure if it was a bit or popping. Yeah, so I'll check the in the description. I'll also chuck a link to season 1 and 2. But you want to check season 2. I do all sorts of different methods. Okay, so I'm going to start off with, I was thinking the silver first and doing a kind of layering. So go thin silver. So this has just got silver paint and pouring medium. I'm going to go the purple. So this is just Mica number 3. There'll be a link in the description to how I mix my mica powders, and there'll be a little card at the top of the screen if you want to know what number 23 is. But if you're good at guessing, it's a red. Okay, now we got our custom red, which is just a whole bunch of different reds together. All of these have spurted as soon as I've opened them. I think I was watching somebody the other day who, when they open their bottles, they open it with something on the lid. I think I can understand why. So we don't need a lot of this, but it is a different red than the Mica coloured red. So now I'm going to do silver again, right down the centre. A little bit more purple. You can see the silver's heavy, so it's sinking right in underneath the other ones. So I'm trying to layer these as best as possible with the density of the paint. Okay. For anybody who wonders what happens to the paint at the end of a session, I collect it up. All right, so this is previous sessions paints, and I can reuse them in the future as base colors. That's where this one came from. This is a collection of all the paints that I've used in season 2. So there you go. And this has actually become the base for one of my my paintings during season 3. It's the exact right color. I didn't even mean for that. It just happened that way. Let's fix these up. Really don't want to be adding paint if I don't have to. There we go. Do the same over here. Drip. Drip. have a friend who does airbrushing, sorry, not paintbrushing, airbrushing. And when I showed them how easy it is to remove drips doing acrylic pouring, she's like, man, I'm jealous. So you can see the extra black inside this black, so this should work out quite nicely. I'm looking forward to this. We'll give it a quick torch, even though we're about to introduce bubbles. Yeah, I'm seeing lots of bubbles getting removed, so that's good. All right, so I've got the hairdryer set to 140 volts. We have our own custom head that I made myself, so that was awesome. That's 3D printed. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm gonna just do a little bit more here. Cool, that makes me happy. All right, it is perfect. We've got cells here, so I'm not using silicone. So we've got cells here, we've got some lacing here. Beautiful wispiness. This is awesome. I'll bring you in. Flyby. Oh my goodness. How did that go, hey? That is beautiful. I hope you've been enjoying the videos that are in 4K now. Season 2 and 1 were in 1080p or just high definition, depending on where you come from. I like this part here. That's gorgeous. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the higher quality videos. If it wasn't for your support, I wouldn't be able to do that. So thank you very much for supporting me by viewing the channel. I really appreciate it. Well, you'll see me in the conversation piece next when this is lacquered, and then we'll do the flyover after that. But you know, conversation me, we'll talk about that. Thanks for watching this part of the video. So this is titled The Blood Barron, and it is actually a gift to my cousin, who you've seen a few times on this channel. They have no idea I created this piece of art for them, and I've been really enjoying keeping it a secret. Editing this, the footage that you've been seeing has been really difficult because I've had to do it when they're not in the house or when they're not aware that I'm editing, just in case they walked in and wanted to have a cool conversation with me. So yes, it's for my cousin, the Blood Barron, and I am absolutely sure they're going to love it. I most likely will make a companion piece in the future for this one. We'll swap out the silver for gold and make the same sort of design so they both match. Now, do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? I just got struck by copyright. I see volcano. Do you see that? You got the structure here, bit of lava flowing. That's what I see. Also, I kind of see a really bad stick figure, which once I saw it, I couldn't unsee it. So you got like the legs, the arms, and a really bad head. And I'm sorry for putting that in your mind. Thank you for watching this part of the video. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Enjoy the flyover where you will get to see this so much closer and in so much more detail. And keep watching after the flyover so you can see the time lapse and then see it being signed on the back. Thank you for watching.